The identification card. ID. Driver's license. Federal limits apply. State. Washington. Country. United States of America. ID number. 4DLIC number ABC123456778A. Last name, Anderson. First name, Tom. Middle name, Adam. Middle initial, A. Date of birth, DOB, December 25th, 1983. Address, 1234 510th Avenue, Northwest Seattle, Washington, 98100. Gender, male. Height, 6 feet 3 inches. Restrictions, none. No legal limitations. Document discriminator. Card number DDABC123456788AB0403230123567. Class. Issue date, January 12th, 2023. January 12th, 2023. Eyes. Blue. Weight, 220 pounds. End, none. No end date for personal information. Expiration date, January 12th, 2029. January 12th, 2029. Signature.